But I went out and did some yard work
Okay.
and keep me busy and
Nice, yeah. Especially now, because it's so nice out. Okay, so. Anything in particular being a problem right now?
no.
All right, I'm gonna lift you up a little bit here. If I tip her back, am I gonna hit you?
You shouldn't, no.
Okay, perfect. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So have you picked up any new hobbies since you've been home all these weeks?
No, my daughter, she's a pastor and she's, I think, has to be there at 1 o'clock, so the other daughter couldn't take me, and I thought, oh my gosh.
Oh, you're fine.
Then I bought a new lawnmower and I got the wrong thing, and it's electric one because I thought I could do it, you know.
Yeah, those are nice and light.
And then I should have got the one that held self-propelled, and I didn't get that. And
That what?
the self-propelled where you don't have.
Okay.
So my daughter came over and oh gosh.
Could you exchange it?
No, I was using it, so I don't know. Maybe I'll just give it to one of the grandkids and get one that's self-propelled.
Propelled, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the electric ones are nice. They don't make a ton of noise.
And they don't make any noise. That's what I like.
Yeah.
Because the people are working nights, you know, it doesn't going to wake them up,
Right.
you know.
Now, what kind of shoes are you wearing when you're out there mowing your lawn?
I'm wearing the ones that I got from you.
The diabetic shoes?
Yes.
Okay. And the way that you say that, do you not like them?
Yeah, I like them.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
The way you said that, I thought you were not liking them.
Oh, no. They're wonderful. Well, it's been a while since I've been here.
Right, well, I wasn't seeing anybody for nails for about 6 weeks.
Oh, yeah. You know, we gotta, I'm telling you, it's just hard on everybody,
It's very hard.
you know, and I understand that, and I imagine they have to close up a lot of places, you know,
Mhm.
except for the grocery stores and stuff.
That's what I wanted, the big chunk.
Then we had to cancel our trip to Arizona. I think we were supposed to go in March, but, you know, they canceled a lot of the planes, you know, and
Yep.
so we have to wait till next year now and use the tickets and, oh, God, I tell you, it's really something.
Well, I figure this will be a period that Americans talk about for generations.
Yeah.
Sorry, did that hurt? That
No,
one? Okay. So what year were you born in?
June 23rd, 1925.
Okay.
I'm 94 and going to be 95 in June.
That is awesome. So, but you've lived through then a lot of difficult times. You lived through the Depression, World War One and
Oh,
Two.
yes.
Yeah.
And I was originally from Mason City, Iowa.
Uh-huh.
And people weren't making that kind of money, like they do nowadays.
Yeah, but things also didn't cost what they cost
And
now.
my dad worked in the brickyards and he didn't make much money.
Okay. So you were there during the Depression in Iowa?
Yeah.
Well, I think your generation is much more,
Well, now kids are spoiled. They don't know how to work and do the things that we did, We had a big garden. We ate off of that in the wintertime, potatoes and carrots. And my mother put up a lot of beans and
mm-hmm.
she did a lot of baking, like bread, And she didn't even have electricity.
Really?
And she had to wash our clothes by, with the little scrub brush,
By hand? Wow.
But when I think about it now, we didn't have the clothes that we got now.
Right.
But I love to hang clothes out. It smells so fresh.
Yeah?
Oh my gosh, my mother. Yeah.
That was back-breaking work, wasn't it?
Oh my gosh, my poor mother.
How many kids was she taking care of at the time?
We had 6, there was 5 girls and 1 boy. And that's way too many when you don't make that kind of money.
Right.
It ain't fair to the kids either. We never got ice cream only on the 4th of July. And no pop. No air conditioning.
Well, I don't think they had any of that yet.
Oh my God. We had an outside buffet.
Did you? You had an outhouse.
Oh, I tell you.
In the middle of
I
winter.
could write a book and it'd be a best story.
About your outdoors biffy?
Oh,
Well, it's just a whole different way of life.
and there was no more diapers for the kids, like you can just throw them away.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna go ahead and smooth all these out now, okay?
Okay. got a wedding coming up in May. And, now they don't know.
I'm sorry, you said you got a wedding coming up in...
In May, yeah.
Oh, are they
And
gonna
they
go?
want to have it, they don't want to have a big wedding, and they're going to have it at his home on the drive there.
They're gonna do it in the
But,
driveway?
you know, I don't know what they're going to do about the food, you know.
They'll give it to you in a doggy bag and let everybody take it home.
I don't know.
Because you know they
I
already
shouldn't
paid
be
for
worried
it,
about
right?
it because, you know, but still, you know, you're going to have something there.
Right.
And then later on, they're going to have, when the things are open, then they'll invite the people over for,
Yeah, big party.
yeah,
And is this a grandchild?
yeah.
Well, congratulations.
Oh my gosh, he got the nicest girls, you know.
Yeah?
He waited so long.
You approve?
He's my nephew, you know. And he's got his own business, and he bought a home along the drive there, you know where North Memorial is.
Mm-hmm. On Victory Memorial Drive?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So he bought a home there and remodeled everything in there. And
Nice.
so he's got a nice start, you know.
And you like the bride?
Yeah. And I got another nephew that he's an airline pilot, you know,
Mm-hmm.
and he's looking for a good. I says, tell him to wear his uniform. You'll see.
You bet. Yeah, go to a bar on a Saturday night in your uniform. Just tell him you're on a short layover.
And he's kind of shy, maybe, and he's in his 30s, and I don't know. And he's such a nice kid too, you know.
Yeah.
But watch out who you get. They might not last. And oh, you should see the home he's got out there in Arizona.
Yeah?
Well, I think he must have got some money from his grandfather when he passed away. His grandpa. Ooh, that feels so
Oh,
good.
good. Good. Well, thank you for letting us do the video again.
Well, you better believe it.
And